Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look based off of this picture of Ariana Grande. So first I'm just going to be priming my face with this Maybelline Fit Me primer. And then I'm going to be taking this liquid illuminator and putting that on the high points of my face, like on my cheekbones, above my eyebrows, on my nose, and basically just putting that everywhere on my face. Next, I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal True Match foundation, and I used a shade a little darker than my natural skin just because Ariana's a lot more tan than I am, and I wanted to use this one just because it's not full coverage and I wanted to still be able to see that liquid illuminator because Ariana's skin is very glowy. And then I'm just going to be going over everything with my damp beauty blender just to make sure there's no excess foundation on my face and I don't look cakey. Next, I'm going to be taking my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer and I'm putting that under my eyes, around my nose to get rid of the redness, and on my chin and a little on my forehead. And I'm also going to be putting this on my eyelids as a primer. And then taking this loose powder from Kat Von D, I'm going to be baking my under eyes and my lash lines just so it doesn't crease. I'm also going to be putting that on the rest of my face and kind of baking that pimple on my forehead just so the coverage stays on it all day. And then I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit and taking the shade Fawn, and I'm going to be contouring my cheekbones and my forehead and my temples a little bit, and also under my jawline. And then I'm going to be wiping away my bake, and then I'm going to be taking the yellow shade from the Anastasia Contour Kit, and I'm going to be putting that under my eyes to brighten them a little bit more. And then I'm taking my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm going to be bronzing up my face because, like I said before, Ariana's a lot tanner than I am, so I have to make my face a little tanner. And then I'm going to be contouring my nose with that same contour I used before, just to make my nose look a little bit more like hers. And then I'm going to be taking this Carli Bybel palette, and I'm going to be taking this brown shade and putting that through my crease. And I'm also going to be smoking out my lower lash line with that brown shade, and then I'm going to be taking this gold highlight shade and putting that all over my lid. And then taking this rose gold highlight shade right next to the gold one, I'm going to be highlighting my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my brow bone. And then taking my ABH Brow Wiz, I'm going to just be filling in my eyebrows. And then I'm putting on these Kiss No. 11 lashes. And then for my lower lashes, I'm using Better Than Sex by Too Faced. And then I'm going to be taking this lip liner from BH Cosmetics in the shade Stripped and lining my lips. And then I'm going to be filling them in with MAC's lipstick in the shade Angel. And then I'm just going to be setting my face with my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. And this is how the final makeup look turned out. I did this look for my Ariana Grande video where I copied her Instagram for a week. So if you haven't seen that video, be sure to go check it out. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!